guys, welcome back to my channel. Happy Eid, and in today's video I am going to be showing you all an Eid makeup look. So without any further ado, let's just get started. I'm starting off by doing my skin prep. I'm doing the 3-step skincare routine from Glow Recipe, and Glow Recipe is one of my favorite skincare brands which I am completely in love these days. So starting off, I'm using the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow PHA plus BHA pore tight toner. This is a very good product which you can use if you have open pores, and if you are finding it difficult to manage your open pores, this is one of the best toner. And then I'm using this Glow Recipe Plump Hyaluronic Serum. It's the Deep Hydration Plus Glow. So I'm taking 2 pumps of this hyaluronic serum and applying it on my face too. And to finish this 3-step skincare routine, I am using the Glow Recipe Watermelon Glow Pink Justice Moisturizer. This is again one of the very amazing moisturizer which I love using. It's very lightweight. It's mainly like a water consistency, but it works really well. You can already see that my skin is super hydrated. As the last step in the skin prep, I'm using the lip balm. It is very important to moisturize your lips too. I'm using the Labello Cherry Shine here. Now that we are done with the skin prep, let's start with our makeup. For the foundation here, I'm using the Smashbox Studio Skin 15-Hour Wear Hydrating Foundation. This foundation comes with an SPF, so that is why I didn't include SPF in the skincare. But it is very important that you apply a sunscreen too. So I'm taking 2 pumps of this foundation and using a damp beauty blender, I'm blending the foundation in. For the concealer, I am using the Too Faced Born This Way Multi-Use Sculpting Concealer. This is a super coverage, and I'm using the shade Sand. I'm first starting off by applying the concealer under my eyes, and I'm just dragging it upwards so that it gives a very lifted look. And then I'm going about by applying the concealer around my nose and also around my mouth where I have a little bit of pigmentation. And again, using the damp beauty blender, just blending the concealer in. To set my face, I'm using the Ledora Beauty Neo Velvet 2-Way Cake Foundation Refill with SPF 50. This is a sweat-proof effect, and this product was sent to me in collaboration, and I totally love this product for how effortlessly it just blends onto my skin. For my eyebrows, I'm using the Goof Proof Brow Pencil from Benefit. I'm using the shade 4.5, which is a dark brown shade. This pencil comes with a spoolie in the other end, and with the spoolie I'm just brushing my eyebrows. And also to set my eyebrows, I'm using the Benefit Gimme Brow. For my eye shades, I'm using the Huda Beauty Mercury Retrograde eyeshadow palette. I'm just using this shade called Karma to just set a base for my eyeshadow. I just felt like I needed a transition shade, and for that I'm using the Hot Mess. To bring in a little glam to this look, I'm using the frazzled shade from this eyeshadow palette to bring in a little glitter. For the eyeliner, I'm using my new favorite eyeliner from Shein, which is called the She Glam eyeliner. Instead of using a kajal, I'm again going back to the eyeshadow palette and using the shade called Vortex. It's a black eyeshadow color. I'm just taking a little bit of it to apply to my lower lash line so that it will give a kajal look. To complete the eye makeup look, I'm using this mascara from the Face Shop. It is a very affordable mascara and it really works well in giving a very voluminous look to your eyelashes. Now moving on to one of my most favorite part of the makeup, using the blush. For the blush, I'm using this liquid blush from Shein, the She Glam, the shade Love Cake. So this is a very light baby pink color blush. So once I applied this, I felt that it was not very visible. So to just enhance the blush look, I am using this blush from Rare Beauty in the shade Nearly Neutral. This is a very creamy consistency. It just blends onto your skin and it just feels like, and it just gives a very natural look. So this blush from She Glam has glitter in it, so I didn't want to go ahead and apply a highlighter. So instead I am again going back to the eyeshadow palette and using this shade called Frazzled. I'm just taking a little bit and applying onto my eye points in my eyebrow, and I'm also using it in the inner corners of my eye so that it will just look very defined. Lastly, for the lipstick, I'm applying the Huda Beauty in the shade Joyride. This is a very nude brown neutral shade, and again this is one of my very favorite in the Huda Beauty range. I hope all of you enjoyed watching this video and also liked this look which I created. Again, wishing you all a very happy Eid. I will see you all in my next video. Until then, take care, stay happy, stay blessed. Bye bye.